What's going on, guys? Today we are back, and today we are in Gainsborough. So, don't know if anything's here, but
Gainsborough.
We've never been here. It seems alright. Don't know if much is here, but Jordan said there was, so we all decided to come. But just gonna do a few warm-up jumps here.
That's good, it's just outside.
Nope.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, sick, yeah.
You filmed that?
You can me. Leeds you can me. You didn't break anything. No. You didn't break anything, it's not Leeds you can me. No, I come out of it.
Alright, so we're trying this scoot full.
Line, not just stop.
Well, yeah.
We're gonna do a line.
Yep. Oh, easy.
Critical skill to be mastered.
Yeah.
This is it.
Easy. That was so easy. I've got a little line I'm just trying to piece together now. It's like a Tom Whitten style line. I'm just doing lots of flips, but yeah, it should be good. Let's see if I can get it.
Yeah, man. Desi's on one. Oh, you're going for like a Trinity? Yeah, Trinity. A Trinity. Yeah, it's called Trinity. Well, I hope it is because I said it now.
Handsprings I can do, because I haven't done that in a while, but just need to remember to keep my arms strong and tight on the bike.
Watching backhands figure out way down and go off at wall. No, you don't want to keep going down there. Oh, right, okay. I was stacking you up. Go on, Desi.
I hope he goes one foot in shit, one hand in shit, the other foot in shit, the other hand in shit, and then just face plants in shit.
That were easy.
I could get more, but I'm just not bothering.
Look at
How many was it?
I think 6. Yeah. I lost count.
That's pathetic. The dog can do 6, leave me have a dog.
Yes, nice. Yeah, you got that. Come on, Lewis. That's it. Focus on the last 2 steps and then stick your feet out. You got it.
Wipe some bird shit out of that.
Oh shit.
Vandals! What are you doing?
No cameras, no.
Oh, sorry.
All I need is one. All I need is one. All I need is one. All I need is one.
Look at your arm.
Oh, that side takes fucking picture.
Jeez, shiny head.
You better watch your fucking mouth.
Tommy! Oh. Wizzy on life?
Yeah, man, Desi on live.
No, Wizzy on life, that's you.
There you open it. Alright, don't pour it out. Stop! He yelled stop. This guy came out the door as I was climbing down and he's just shut the door. But anyway, it's a few days later now from Gainsborough. I'm never going back there. That place was shit. But today, I'm back in Leeds with this guy.
Hi.
So yeah, we're just gonna go around some spots.
That's the person that dropped down from there. Hi.
Oh my god, oh my god, that was so cool. That was so cool.
Right, so we were just at art gallery.
Yeah.
Tom's a bit of a and doesn't want to train there. So we're going to the next spot. Yo guys, it's Tom Dressard here.
Day in the life of Desi here.
Then life Desi. Fucking what, break your arm?
Ah! That hurt. Fucking plastic. Oh, you actually punched me. You're gonna try and stick it, yeah? I didn't. I don't know what you mean. Oh my god, oh, your toes touching the sushi. Oh. Transitions. So we're at this spot a bit later on now. Me and Liam are actually training a bit now. We've stopped fucking around. But yeah, there's a few more people out. Hugo pointed out this arm jump here. So I'm gonna go up and have a look at it now.
No, I'm joking.
What? What you say?
Look at the top of the wall that Hugo's attempting, and on the edge just here there's like a really nasty grip for your fingers. If he doesn't get this precise, he's probably going to tear his fingers a bit, so
To be fair, I'm probably
takes a lot of focus.
anyway. But it'd be worse if I grab it wrong.
Oh, you're doing the cat leap as well?
Oh, I'm gonna do it now.
Oh, nice, yeah. But yeah, just like I said, and just the edge is just a bit finger. Like he got the opportunity to rip, but I don't think he'll rip.
I mean, I'll
After the one in Birmingham as well, man, like...
Yeah, but the grip was better.
Yeah, that's very true, to be fair, but I reckon you've got this nice, man.
Yeah, I'll give it a go.
Whoa, let's go.
Tom's a young.
Look how white I am right now. Did that actually do anything?
What are you doing?
God. Have I got chalk on my face right now? I don't know why I did that. That was a bit dumb. Right, ready? Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Have you got any shout outs or anything?
I don't know who the people are, but these guys are fully experienced and don't try this outside anywhere.
Exactly. Legend. Thank you. Just aim for where my hands were. I know exactly what I'm doing. That's exactly what I do. Every time I go for that race, yeah. Yeah, that's fine. You gave it a solid attempt. Yeah, I'll get back for it. Just tired. This is going to be the end of the video, guys. Sorry it's a short video. Honestly, didn't do much training this week. I didn't have much time, sadly. But next week, I've got a few good videos planned. I'm going to Burnley and also Manchester, so there's a couple of good vlogs coming up there. So stay tuned for that. But if you enjoyed this week's episode, please like, subscribe, comment, and share for more videos every Thursday. And I'll see you then. Peace.